chả. Blue is a rice noodle. So this one is a rice noodle. And chả, we're waiting for it.
Moon means rice.
Blue is rice.
And cha.
Rice noodle.
Oh, nice. Bun. Bun me with egg coffee.
And coffee.
Egg coffee, yeah. Okay.
Here you go.
And they serve this in every cafe or only special cafes?
Special Vietnamese normal.
This one only for banh mi, right?
Yes, yes. That is dumpling, like bao. Bánh bao.
Yeah, got it. Crocodile. Python crocodile. Wow. Many shops and restaurants, cafes, street. Hanoi Old Quarter. What is that?
Rồi đi. Đây một cây này. Hai cây luôn nè.
Oh, that thing only. What is this?
Yeah, this one is a beef salad. This one is papaya salad. Guys, super sticky.
Very interesting trip. I'm enjoying. Wow, it's beautiful. Wow, it's such a beautiful. Yeah. Pancake. Rice pancake.
Rice pancake.
Oh,
That one is rice spaghetti.
yeah. How they make it. Rice pancake.
So you see that the one look like milk over here is rice flour. And this fabric on the top, that is silk. It must be silk, so they can take the rice flour out. So dipping sauce is a mix of this sauce or the chicken. Yeah, but you can use this to make the soup better.
Lemon?
It's not. Same but different. Yeah, this is comfort. You know comfort? Yeah, it's fermented. Yeah, so it can squeeze in here to make it sour. Yeah, you can smell it. Yeah, it's orange. That's sour. Yeah, but inside there's a lot of seeds, so you can squeeze in here first.
Oh, the salt seeds. Here you go.
This local beer, right? Yeah.
Like it's not a strong taste either.
Fanta. Nectin. Yeah.
And are we having?
I love this one. The taste is very.
Although we
Oh, is it the same? Yes.
So this one, for spring roll, you can use that's all right. Yeah, mostly they sell from California. Something like this.
Night market.
Yeah.
Fresh juice. Again, capsoy.
Yeah,